How to know who is watching and regularly visiting your Instagram profile. Just check this process with simple steps. Here is my profile and this is my new profile I have created, but I don't know who is watching my profile. But I have curious that who is watching my profile, and it is pretty entertaining that someone is watching your profile. You will know them without knowing them. Go to the Play Store and install Xprobe, your hidden profile. After the install, open this application and just log in, and it will keep Instagram pop up with their own browser, and just put the Instagram Gmail or phone and its password and just log in, and you can see who is watching your profile without knowing you. After opening the Expo, it will ask to log in to the Instagram account with your phone that you registered with your phone number or email account. Just put the phone number, email account and password, and then just log in. Instagram will ask you to get verification, and they will send with the message and like 6-digit confirmation code, and can see anybody's profile with the anonymously. You can see the who is on your profile, on outcome and follower, and who is blocked you, and who is following you and who's unfollow you. Okay, that's it. Thank you.
You